liberation of Paris means the beginning of the end of Nazi domination of Europe. Let this inspiring event underscore the warning to Germany and Japan that every day they delay surrender, the consequences to them will be that much more severe. The uprising of the people of Paris themselves to throw off the yoke of slavery will serve as an inspiration to the millions of others still living under Nazi domination in Europe. That uprising was made possible because Allied arms had come to the outskirts of the city and stood as a mighty force to bolster the liberation of Paris. Now, we must not relax for 1 minute in our all-out war effort until Germany and Japan are so utterly defeated that their people shall vow never again.